Reviews are flooding in, and the hype is real. Apple's WWDC 2025 announcements have stirred the tech world like never before, and Tech Vibe is here to break it all down with the fire and clarity you've come to expect. From mind-blowing design upgrades to bold AI integrations, this year's reveals are redefining what innovation means. Fans are calling it Apple's most ambitious leap since the M1 chip, and honestly, they might not be wrong. With the introduction of the liquid glass UI across all devices, users are getting a sleek, translucent interface that not only looks stunning but moves like silk. The feedback, electric. People are loving the smoother animations, rounded aesthetics, and how everything feels unified yet personal. Imagine your iPhone, iPad, and MacBook all speaking the same design language. Finally, this isn't just a visual upgrade, it's a vibe shift. Developers are already diving into the new SDK and frameworks introduced to support these changes, and early impressions are glowing. As Tech Vibe has always said, when Apple gets bold, the world listens, and this year, the volume is cranked all the way up. Connectivity and other features were nothing short of jaw-dropping, and Tech Vibe couldn't be more excited about what's coming next. Apple has finally taken a massive leap forward in eSIM portability. Now users can transfer eSIM not just between iPhones, but even to Android devices. That's huge, right? This single update could be the most underappreciated game changer of the entire WWDC. Then there's the upgraded AirPods Sweet Reel, time translation, head, nod gesture recognition, camera, trigger tap commands. It's like your earbuds just became your smartest travel companion. Add to that the newest Apple Spatial audio format, which pushes Dolby Atmos into the stratosphere with deeper, more immersive head tracking and smarter sound zoning. And yes, Vision Pro didn't sit this one out either. Apple's VR platform is now tighter, faster, and more integrated than ever, making transitions between apps in the 3D space smoother and way more intuitive. Everything is starting to feel like it belongs together. You want seamlessness, you got it. Whether you're working, gaming, or just chilling, Apple just made sure the tech disappears and the experience shines. Now let's talk price, and oh, do we have thoughts? As always, Apple walked the tightrope between premium and practical. While the entry-level iOS 26 compatible devices won't cost more to upgrade, the newest hardware rolling out to showcase these software updates. Yeah, those have a price tag, but surprisingly, it's not as painful as many expected. The new AirPods Pro with translation tech are rumored to be around $299, which honestly feels like a steal considering what they're packing in. The upcoming Apple Watch Series 11 with AI-powered health coaching, set to hit the shelves at $499, and early adopters are saying it's worth every penny for what it brings to your wellness game. Apple's gaming ecosystem, now complete with its own dedicated games app, is even rumored to include an Apple-branded controller dropping later this year for under $100. Combine that with aggressive Apple Arcade promotions and you've got something special. And hey, Tech Vibe is hearing whispers of student bundles, discounts for previous Vision Pro owners, and multi-device deals that are going to make a lot of people look twice. As far as premium ecosystems go, Apple's pushing value in 2025 like never before. Performance-wise, things are cooking on another level. Tech Vibe has tested early developer builds of iOS 26 and macOS 26 Tahoe. And it's not just about pretty looks, this thing moves. We're seeing faster app launch times, near zero latency in multitasking, and battery optimization that's more intelligent than ever before. Apple's integrating its new on-device AI models directly into shortcuts, allowing for context-aware suggestions, app chaining, and even simple scripting with natural language. Picture telling your phone, "Hey, prep my phone for night mode, quiet Slack, and open Kindle in warm color mode. And it just does it. That's not the future. That's iOS 26, baby. Meanwhile, macOS Tahoe is streamlining search and personalization so fluidly it might just give Spotlight a new lease on life. Even Intel Macs are still hanging on, with this being the last Mac OS to support them. So Apple's making sure the experience stays rich across the board. And yes, developers are seeing improvements in Xcode performance and simulator speeds, meaning better, faster apps for everyone. Whether you're editing a podcast, training a model, or just vibing on your M3 MacBook Air, this year's performance leap is the truth. Leaks, rumors, and whispers have been pouring in over the last few weeks, and at Tech Vibe, we've been tracking them all to give you the most up-to-date breakdowns. And wow, most of them nailed it, the liquid glass redesign. Nailed the new AI SDK, confirmed the eSIM trans for upgrade and AirPods gestures. Yup. But some surprises still left jaws on the floor. Nobody expected the launch of the Apple Games app to be so comprehensive. This isn't just Game Center 2.0. It's Apple getting serious about gaming with trophies, multiplayer lobbies, Game Pass integration, and even optimization modes for better FPS and lower latency. And those secret developer API. Tech Vibe insiders say they hint at something big on the horizon. Maybe a handheld gaming device or a smaller Vision Pro variant for mainstream use. Apple's tight, lipped as always, but the direction is clear. They're unifying AI, immersive media, and device synergy like never before. One thing's for sure, the Apple ecosystem isn't just expanding, it's evolving, and anyone who doubted they could still surprise us in 2025, well, they're eating their words now. Stick with Tech Vibe for the next wave. We've got more scoops coming.